Good morning. So today is Saturday. I'm about to go kayak with the bros. And then right after the kayak, we are recording a podcast. Check them out. Naitwa Safari Frequency. So we're going to talk about our tales as travelers, travel organizers. That's gonna be exciting. I'm gonna take you with me, take you to the lake. We're gonna meditate together. We're going to have a really good time today, right? Because the vibes have it. The sun is out. The weather is gonna be so good. It is already good. So this is what I'm wearing today. A shirt by Nairobi, Impala Park, with my phone and power bank because I would always want to get my phone to, record. I'm wearing the African sandals, the real African sandals. Hapo kwa backpack niko na maji. This, the one that we usually use to hike. Joseph, you know it?
Camel bag.
Yes. Not camel bag, ile ya maji.
Ah, the pouch thingy.
Yes, this one, the one you suck water out of it. This one.
Oh yeah. Well,
yeah. So that's my. Uko katikati.
Gets bad.
It gets very bad. But aside from that, let's go kayak. Nataka kuonekana.
Nikisema
Eh?
Doing what?
So guys.
Yapping.
Let's go kayak. Walai. That's such a good deal, fam.
Huyu sande wako tumwache maji nitabeba.
Umeiona? So my friends are far gone. I don't know if you can see them. Oh, okay, I'm gonna show you right now. But I just figured I'd stay back to just enjoy the view and how calming it is to be in the lake. What an honor. This is exactly why I like and I love Lake Victoria so much, because of its calming capabilities. I find healing here. I am restored here. I am alive. I am refreshed. And it's just such an honor to be by the lake and to experience this a lot. I met someone the other day who told me they rarely come to the lake. And I'm like, me, I have never considered to come here even once a week, bro. Once a week to watch the sunset or to just sit on the shores of the lake and just take it in. But what an honor, truly. Thank you, Nam. Thank you, Nam Lolwe. Imeingia kwa maji? On a rescue mission.
One of the kayakers is not able to final destination.
So what are we doing?
Yes, survival mission.
Yes.
We want to we are tying our kayaks, 2 of them.
Yeah.
And I'll be the one who is...
You have to say that.
Yes. The one start the
Oh my god! Guess who's the weak one here? Guys, I have not been taking my what's it called? My workout seriously, and now I'm paying for it. That's what's going on now. And our very handy man Jose is tying us. So DIY, yay! Oh gosh. Hi guys, I'm making We are finally done. We're done. It was a very fun kayak. I hope you enjoyed. Wase mnawashoaje?
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap. So saizi tunaenda kudishi, alafu tuende tufanye podcast. Shughuli ni mingi leo. Oh, favor. Yeah. Big guy. Yeah. What a night. We love a good night here. Yes, Kokelo, something. Najua nikikuda Jose na tread carefully tu. Hey. Hey, chakula kuonja ya mwenzako ndio tamu hata kuliko yako. We just finished the podcast recording with the boys.
Yeah. It's been fun.
It's been
real, guys.
Honestly, yeah. We can't wait for you guys to watch the episode.
Namu subscribe.
Yeah, tulikuwa tunaongelelea our crazy experiences as tour operators, as clients, as travelers, especially as travelers. And it was just fun to yap. We've done 2 episodes, each like 40 minutes.
Yep.
Yeah, 40.
Over 40.
But yeah.
We'll try to make it fun.
Hey, podcasting is not. It's actually not so easy, but
Yeah,
get used
when
to
you're
it.
doing with your fellow yappers, it gets easier.
I agree. So yeah, mu subscribe na mu support Mamblanas. Okay, bye. Do you?
Yeah, got that one.